Hello students. Hello dear students. I Dinesh Karmalkar, your computer teacher, welcomes you to JVM's New English School Kalwa online teaching classes. Now today we will see the second part of the first chapter we have started last time, software and its types. Now in this session we will see what is application software, what is multimedia software, graphic software, presentation software. In the last session, we have studied system software, operating system, functions of operating system, utility software. Now let's revise what we have studied last time. Now system software which are preloaded by the manufacturer of the computer. We cannot install the system software on our own. The second is operating system. Now operating system which we can install, or nowadays in many laptops it is pre-installed by the company. Operating systems means like Windows operating system, Android operating system. Now functions of operating system. Last time we have seen many functions of operating system, among which one of the most important was to control all the hardwares which are connected to our computer, and also helps us to install the much needed application programs. Now we will see what is utility software. The utility softwares were like backup tools, then recovery tools and compression softwares like WinZip, WinRAR, etc. Now today we will see what the first topic of our today's session, application software. Now we have seen that how the operating system helps us to install the needed application programs. Now application programs are the programs which are made for specific purpose, like Paint for painting, Word for typing the letter, documents, etc. Photoshop for editing the photos, then PowerPoint for making the PowerPoint presentation, then CorelDRAW to make greeting cards, etc. Now these application softwares are the set of programs which are used to perform specific types of jobs like making calculations, arranging data in an organized way, beautifying the documents and many more. As it is not possible to have software for each and every application, so some general purpose application software are designed to the needs of an individual or an organization. These are called packages. Some of the common packages are word processing software, electronic spreadsheet, database management system, desktop publishing packages, graphic, multimedia and presentation software. Today we will see all these packages in detail one by one. The first package is word processing software. A word processor helps you to create professional looking documents quickly and efficiently. It has many features to change the text in a desired manner. You can easily add, delete, rearrange or beautify the text and produce a paper copy of a document as needed. Example, Microsoft Word, WordPad, etc. Now you have seen Microsoft Word, how you can easily type in Microsoft Word. We can save our documents for future use in Microsoft Word. For example, suppose we have typed one document regarding the application of our leave. Now the same document we can use in future, then we don't have to type the same document again. We can reuse the same document by changing the date and purpose of the leave. Thus it saves our time and energy. Also, the spell check facility is also there in most of the word processing software, which also helps us to type accurately. Now we will see regarding the electronic spreadsheet, which is another package. A spreadsheet program helps you to perform calculations, analyze data and display the information in a presentable manner. It also offers features that enhance its appearance and display the data in the form of a chart to analyze it in a better way. Example, Microsoft Excel, Lotus, etc. Now we have seen Microsoft Excel. Excel is a very powerful spreadsheet program. It is used worldwide. It has many inbuilt functions like sum, for addition, average for taking the average of numbers. It also supports logical functions for comparison of numbers like the max or the min function. In the max function which gives the highest number from a group of numbers, and min function which gives the least number from the group of numbers. It also supports forms, Visual Basic programming, which further adds to its functionality and purpose. Now the next package is database management system. Each one of us uses database in our daily routine without even knowing it. For example, to manage telephone diary, phone directories, payroll information, etc. Database software helps us to arrange and store a large amount of information in an organized way. It enables you to input, retrieve, sort, and manage the information in an efficient manner. Example: MS Access, Fox Pro, Oracle, etc. Now, we have seen how the school keeps the database of students, teachers, and other staff. The class teacher also keeps database of all the students like its name, address, phone number, its daily attendance, marks of all the exam, etc. Similarly, we can see how the banks keep the database of the customers like their names, that how much money is taken in, how much money is taken out from their accounts, etc. Now we will see regarding desktop publishing package. Now this package helps us to combine both text and graphic features to design professional looking documents like newsletters, brochures, advertisements, books, magazines, etc. Example is CorelDRAW, PageMaker. Then in this CorelDRAW we can design greeting cards, banner for advertising, etc. In PageMaker we can type documents for magazines, newspaper, etc. We can also design visiting cards with the help of CorelDRAW and PageMaker. Now we will see regarding graphic software. With the aid of various graphics, multimedia and presentation software, it has become possible to present an idea or concept in a pictorial and artistic way. This software is used to create images such as charts, graphs, logos, and photographs. Example: Paint, Photoshop, AutoCAD, etc. Paint is a very simple software which we can see in our computer, with the help of which we can draw and edit images in a very simple way. Now, Photoshop is advanced photo editing software in which we can do mixing of photos. We have seen mixing of photos in mobile phone also with the help of collage software. Now we have seen our marriage albums or birthday party albums, how the photos are mixed together. These all are done in the Photoshop. Now we will see regarding AutoCAD. Now AutoCAD is an advanced drawing software which is mostly used by engineering students for technical drawings. Like, for example, suppose you want to design one building, we have to draw the drawing of the building first, so that we must know its exact dimensions. Then it is also possible for designing of automobiles in AutoCAD, as it also supports 3D modeling. Because of the 3D modeling, we get exact dimension of what we have to manufacture or what we want to build. Now we will see regarding multimedia software. This is used to create video, animation, sound, graphics, and text with a degree of interaction. Example: game software, Windows Multimedia Player, Windows Movie Maker, etc. With the help of this software, we can collect all the photos and animate them. That is, we can make them moving photos instead of standstill. We can also convert photos in video by collecting all the photos together and giving them transition animation effects. One of the software for this is Wondershare Filmora. Now we will see regarding the presentation software. It is used to present an idea or concept. This software helps you to create and display slides on a computer for educational and business purposes. It lets you to create slides, charts, animation, and video clips. Example: Microsoft PowerPoint, Flash, etc. Now PowerPoint you are knowing everything before, but now what is Flash? Flash, with the help of Flash we can create animated movies, games, etc. It has timeline in which we can arrange all the photos and animate them so that it will look like a movie. So all these were regarding the softwares. Now we'll see what are the assignment questions. First question is, what do you mean by application software? Second, what is the use of database management system? Third question, what is the use of multimedia software? Fourth question, a video showing of how to create a mark sheet in MS Excel will be shown in next session. Students can create it on mobile or PC or laptop as per the availability of resources. Thank you very much.